Yeah. So before starting with the IC engines, as we discussed yesterday, first we will take up IC engines module. So we will study what is the role of mechanical engineers in industry and what is the contribution of mechanical engineering to the society, and what are the different emerging trends and technologies. Okay, with respect to mechanical engineering, we have taken various sectors. It may be manufacturing, energy, automotive, aerospace, marine, etc. Some of the examples yesterday we discussed. This aircraft at 580,000 kilometers, 1,200 kilometers per hour. Okay. So, what are the materials which the same material whether can use in the cars? No, it's not possible. Right? So, like that, some of the important factors we will discuss before starting with the syllabus. So, what is mechanical engineering? Yeah. So, mechanical engineers design, test, build, and operate all types of machinery. Whatever machinery you can see, ensure the setup is possible. It is all designed, test, build, and operate by the mechanical engineers, and they also involved in manufacturing varieties of goods and some kind of structures. The structure is something related to civil engineering, building a structure, but some components required to build that structure will be manufactured by the mechanical engineers. Okay. So broadly, this mechanical engineering can be divided into two types. First one is machinery, mechanisms, materials, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Okay. So building machineries, building some mechanisms. Okay. So building different types of hydraulic and pneumatic equipment. Like for example, JCB. It can work human beings. 1 hour work it will be able to work singular and portable in that 1 hour. So that JCB is purely operated by hydraulic and pneumatic system, which is built by mechanical engineering engineers. We can just go through the calculations are not so easy. The amount of stress that it has to take up is very huge. It involves a lot of calibrations. Correct? In a small space, whatever you can see, a small engine, it has to generate so much of energy to put a rock on the ground. It is impossible. Many of the tasks done by JCB is impossible to do by human beings. Like that, hydraulics and pneumatics is one of the applications. Okay. The second field is totally related to heat. Yesterday we have discussed about 4 points. In one of the other way we have chemical energy which can be converted to heat. We need some equipment to convert that chemical energy into heat. Further, that heat should be converted to mechanical energy. Say for example, yesterday we discussed about coal. Coal has a lot of chemical energy in it. If you light fire, you won't heat. So just let the atmosphere go. You need to grab that heat and convert it into required form. Right? You need some machineries for that. It can be boilers, furnaces, where you work for convert water to steam. So all those device building comes under second category. And yesterday I discussed about refrigeration and air conditioning. You can't find a place without this. It might be a home, whatever it is, without refrigeration and air conditioners, you cannot find any location. So the various components in those refrigerators and air conditioners are built by mechanical engineers. So in general, mechanical engineers design, test, build, and operate various types of equipment. Okay, so what is the contribution of mechanical engineering to the society? Some of the points I have listed here. So industrial revolution took place in 18th century. Before that, there was no organized structure of industry. Correct? So earlier to that, whatever people want, they used to produce locally and exchange amongst them. A simple example of villages, what they used to do, you grow paddy, other people grow vegetable, you exchange amongst yourselves, and you love it. That was the olden era. The current era is not like that. We want to have some goods which is available in Kashmir, is not available here. Like that, in industries also, in the 18th century, the industrial revolution took place. It was such that there will be a central manufacturing plant. A variety of goods are produced there at a single location, and they should be distributed for various purposes to various locations. That manufacturing hub should be such that it should be almost automated. nowadays, you take any car producing industry, all the it has a production unit at Delhi, but throughout India they ship from there. Right? So like the industrial revolution took place, the concept of automation came into picture. Okay, making the human effort as less as possible and producing more components per hour. In that industrial automation and industrial revolution, mechanical engineering took the leading role. Okay, so in the upcoming slides, I have listed few applications. When you go through it, you can appreciate. Yes, mechanical engineering has taken a leading role, okay, in revolution. Okay, so mechanical engineering eliminates excessive usage of resources by optimizing and improving the efficiency. That is what automation I was telling about. Earlier, 10 to 15 people used to do a common work. That is all today replaced. You might have gone through one how the car is. It has the biggest legs in it. We just watch within 6 minutes, starting from the chassis, whatever is there, to final build the car without any human power. Just you switch on the plant, within 6 minutes you get a ready car. All the raw materials will be met. Like for example, vendors, doors, everything will be loaded to the machine. Okay. So in like earlier days, there is no fitter, no turner. Okay. To assemble the car manually, right? So that it will be completely automated. What are the advantages of automation? It will be very less errors will be very few, manufacturing defects will be very few. Yeah. So to build the things that make the world a better place, right? So and reduce human effort and to make the work easy. These are some of the major contributions. With respect to these points, some of the applications I have listed, you can see in various sectors. Say for example, manufacturing sector, today super finished goods. Yesterday I was discussing, correct? So any materials, this is a ceramic based material, say for example. Okay, if it doesn't look good, you will never buy. Whatever may be its property, it can withstand 70 degrees of heat. It's not like plastic which will melt easily. Okay, you connect it to a projector, you put on a high-speed charger here which can charge your laptop in 30 minutes. What 70 degrees temperature will be reached, but it will never get damaged. Such material, but it should also be aesthetic and there should be a good finish. Okay, such materials have been found by the manufacturers. Okay, various jigs, fixtures, etc. Civil oil well drilling. Okay, this was one of the major concepts which came in the 18th century. Okay, drilling oil wells, extracting oil, and setting up refinery. It is a combination of chemical and mechanical engineering, right? Similarly, in the manufacturing sector, various cutting techniques have been installed to improve the accuracy. Then railroad laying. Okay, so design of railroads and fabrication of those bars. It is one of the major trends. Okay, in automobile, there is a very good amount of, just as we were talking about, see earlier we had fuel-based cars, today it is all coming towards electric. When electric cars are not suitable for our country for immediate implementation, hybrid vehicles have come into picture. Hybrid will build you the gap, correct? Okay, what it does, until the supply chain management of electricity for charging ports is done, hybrid concept will be building the gap between the fuel-based vehicles and the electric-based vehicles. Okay. Next, the turbo machineries like turbines. Yesterday we were discussing. Turbine is one of the key invention in mechanical engineering. Without turbine, you cannot produce electricity. It may be from water, it may be from wind, or it may be from coal. If you want to generate electricity, you need a turbine. Without a turbine, you cannot imagine the production of electricity. Okay, that was the field of mechanical. Okay, aircraft engines. This is one of the super invention, correct? In the earlier days. Okay, diesel locomotives. Can you imagine diesel without diesel locomotive? Your life it is highly impossible. Okay, even you may replace our cars or trucks with electric, but diesel locomotives have various other applications like agricultural sector. Okay, if you just visit any agricultural equipment manufacturers, there are a variety of machines available for automation. Without manpower, okay, today with help of machines, you can sow the seeds and get back your crop. One man can operate everything. Such machineries are all run on diesel engines only. Okay, next, similarly, in various fields, just I have listed, it may be in locomotives, okay, it may be in photography, aviation sector, fuels, turbines, vehicles, metals, railroading, etc. So these are all some of the fields where mechanical engineering has contributed to the society, right?
So if you want to give a brief report about contribution, any 2 or 3 sectors you can pick up and you can just give its importance. Correct?